Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our new YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this channel, we will be discussing about all the HR aspects starting from recruitment till separation. Human Resource Tutorials or HR Tutorials India is a YouTube channel created for the purpose of learning all the aspects and functions of human resource with free of cost. Which means in this channel you will be provided with all the aspects of HR starting from recruitment till separation without any charges. There are many institutions and coaching centers outside who are charging huge fee for the purpose of training you the aspects of HR and providing you the knowledge of HR. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. And for more related videos, please hit on the bell icon so that we can produce good number of videos as per your requirements. And if you have any queries or any doubts, please comment in the comment section so that it will be easy for me to answer all your queries. And if any videos are required, I can make videos related to the topics. Myself, Raj Aryan, a result-oriented professional with having 12 years of experience into all the aspects of HR generalistic as well as administration, that is, from recruitment till separation. In this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing all my experiences in all the aspects of HR, which could help you in your academics and for the professionals who have recently get into their career. So these videos are for both academic as well as for professionals. What is HR? In this video, I'll be discussing all the aspects of HR, like what is HR and how the name HR has come into exist and the importance of HR as well. Then comes HRM, which is nothing but Human Resource Management. In this topic, I'll be discussing about what is Human Resource Management and objectives of Human Resource Management. Then comes the functions of HRM. There are various functions of HRM wherein I will be discussing in detail about all the functions of human resource management. Then comes human resource planning. In short form, it is also called as HR planning. In this topic, I will be discussing about how the HR planning will be happening and what are the different aspects of HR planning, which is prior or before the recruitment selection process. So for any project which comes into the company, for any project, there should be HR planning so that the project execution happens in a proper way. Then comes HR recruitment selection, which is nothing but recruitment followed by selection. So in this module, I will be discussing about what is recruitment, different types of recruitment, interviews conducted during the recruitment, what are the different types of recruitment, what is selection process, and the process of recruitment and onboarding an employee. The next stage is employee orientation. In this module, I will be discussing about the employee who has onboarded the company. Employee orientation is nothing but an employee who joins the company. There is a process of orientation. So in this module, I will be discussing about complete orientation of an employee. Next comes the HRIS management, which is nothing but complete database of an employee, which includes his educational prospects, his experience prospects, his contact details about his family, etc. Then comes HR administration. In this module, we will be discussing about all the administration activities which comes under human resource management. After that, we will be discussing about payroll management. In this module of payroll management, in detail, we will be discussing about the salary breakup and salary structure, which includes basic salary, HRA, conveyance allowances, PF deductions, ESI deductions, income tax, professional tax, etc. Then comes compensation benefit administration. In this module, we will be discussing about what all the benefits and compensation is given to an employee like PF, ESI, gratuity, bonus, etc. Then it is followed by performance management, which is nothing but performance appraisal. Each company has their own aspects of conducting performance management on a yearly basis. Depending upon performance of an employee, the performance rating will be given accordingly. There is a revision of the salaries or hike of the salaries. At the same time, their promotion happens to each individual. So in detail, we will be discussing about performance management in the performance management module. Training and development. Depending upon the requirement for any employee or as per the requirement of the project, an employee will be undergoing a training and development happens to that specific employee as per the requirement of the project or as per the requirement of the company. So in this module, we will be discussing training and development in detail. Then comes statutory compliances. In this module, we'll be discussing all the statutory compliances related to a corporate company or an industry or a manufacturing company. Few of the statutory compliances are PF, ESI, Bonus Act, Gratuity Act, Professional Tax Act, Minimum Wages Act, Maternity Benefit Act, etc. Then comes employee engagement. This is one of the most important functions or activity of a HR. Employee engagement is nothing but making an employee engaged in his work or in her work, which is nothing but if an employee works with the company for about 8 to 9 hours, he or she should be completely engaged towards his work. So making an employee engaged towards his or her work is nothing but employee engagement. Employee retention. In this module, we will be discussing about how to retain an employee with the company. Employee retention is nothing but making an employee stick to the company for a longer duration of time. So employee retention is a major task of an HR which needs to be maintained, or employee retention is one of the major role of a HR to retain or make an employee stick to the company for a longer duration. Employee attrition is the reversal of employee retention. The higher the retention, the percentage of employees quitting the company is less. The higher the attrition, the percentage of employees leaving the company is high. So we need to reduce the employee attrition. At the same time, we need to increase the employee retention. So in this module of employee attrition, we will be discussing about employee attrition and how to calculate the employee attrition and how to maintain it. Employee motivation management. The name itself clearly says that an employee who is working in an organization has to be motivated to give the 100% of productivity. So higher the motivation, the employee will be happy enough to give his 100% to the company. So motivation is one of the important factor which increases the productivity. At the same time, it will make the employee to stick with the company for a longer duration, which will in return increase the percentage of employee retention. Employee recognition and rewarding. In this module, we'll be discussing about what are the different types of rewards and what are the different types of recognition which needs to be given to an employee, which will motivate or encourage for an employee to stick to the company for a longer duration. Competency building and mapping. Any employee joins the company for his career prospects, at the same time learning and gaining experience. At the same time, he or she will be planning for his future aspects. So in this competency building and mapping, it will help an employee, at the same time the company, to map the future of an individual with the future of the company. HR policies, design and development. Every company has their own HR policies, and in this module, we'll be discussing what are the different types of HR policies, how to design and how to development, depending on the requirement of the company. Employee relationship management. In this module, we'll be discussing about how a relationship should be between an employee and an employer. The better the relationship, the better output for an employee. At the same time, the growth of the company increases. So the relationship between the employee and employer should be good so that the career prospects of an employee moves fast. At the same time, the future of the company. The relationship between the employee and employer should be good, which impacts the growth of both parallelly hand in hand. Employee health, safety and welfare. When an employee joins the company, he or she is comfortably, happily gets into the company thinking about his or her health, safety and welfare. So in this module, we will be discussing about what are the health norms, safety norms and welfare norms of the company in perspective with regards to the employee. Talent management. In this module, we will be discussing how a talent or a resource is managed. For example, if you are hiring an employee, he or she should be recruited and used effectively and efficiently for the betterment of the organization. So talent management will give the perspective of making an employee useful for the company in an effective and efficient way. Employee grievance management. In this module, we'll be discussing about the grievance management. If an employee have any grievance or any issues or any concerns, the HR will be responsible to help the employee in solving out his grievances. So in this module, we'll be discussing in detail about the grievance management, employee and labor relations. This module is completely related to manufacturing and industrials. In this module, we'll be discussing about the labor relations and the employee relations in an organization. Industrial relations. It is same replica of labor relations which is related to industries and manufacturing companies. In this module, we will be discussing about the relationship between employees and the management. Then finally comes the employee separation. In this module, we will be discussing about the exit interview, how an employee gets separated from the company. So there is a process of separation. So in this module, we will be discussing about the process of separation and the exit interviews. So dear friends, I hereby convey that I have completed all the aspects of HR which I will be discussing in detail in the next coming videos. So hope you like this video. If you have any queries or any doubts, please comment in the comment section, so I'll be happy enough to help you out in solving all the queries and all the doubts. Thank you very much for watching the videos. If you like this video, please share among your friends and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.